Sabay na ipinagdiwang nina Claudine Barreto at anak na si Santino ang kanilang karawan. Noong July 19 ay 17 years old na si Santino samantalang 45 years old naman si Claudine. Noong July 20, sa kanyang birthday message, ay sinabi ni Claudine na yon ang kauna-unahang pagkakataon na gusto ng anak na magkaroon ng party sa kanyang karawan. Anya, this is the first time he really wanted a party. Narito ang mensahe ni Claudine sa anak, I wish you would spend more time with mom. Oh. And that you know that you can always talk to mom, and I'm always gonna be here for you, and I'm always gonna be the cool mom that you want and dream. I love you. Pinasalamatan din ni Claudine ang mga dumalo at sinabing ang party ay para sa anak na si Santino, so thank you. Thank you. It really means the world to me. It's not like, it's my birthday today, but it's not all about me, it's all about Santino. So let's celebrate.